Ciao everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking you on a journey to some of the most breathtaking and beautiful places in Italy. From historic cities to stunning coastlines, Italy is a country full of wonders. Let's dive in. First up, we have Venice, known as the City of Canals. Venice is a place like no other. Its winding waterways, historic architecture, and iconic gondolas make it one of the most romantic and unique cities in the world. Don't miss the chance to visit St. Mark's Basilica, the Rialto Bridge, and of course, a gondola ride through the Grand Canal. Next, let's head south to the Amalfi Coast. This stunning stretch of coastline is famous for its dramatic cliffs, colorful villages, and crystal clear waters. Towns like Positano, Amalfi, and Ravello offer breathtaking views, delicious food, and a relaxing atmosphere. The Amalfi Coast is perfect for a picturesque road trip or a serene getaway. Now, let's explore the heart of Italy. Tuscany, known for its rolling hills, lush vineyards, and charming medieval towns, Tuscany is a paradise for wine lovers and history buffs. Visit cities like Florence, Siena, and Pisa to experience world-class art, stunning cathedrals, and, of course, the famous Leaning Tower of Pisa. No trip to Italy would be complete without a visit to its capital, Rome. Steeped in history, Rome is home to some of the most iconic landmarks in the world. Explore the ancient ruins of the Colosseum and Roman Forum, marvel at the beauty of the Pantheon, and toss a coin into the Trevi Fountain for good luck. And don't forget to visit Vatican City, the smallest independent state in the world, where you can see St. Peter's Basilica and the Sistine Chapel. For those who love coastal beauty, the Cinque Terre is a must-visit. This UNESCO World Heritage Site consists of 5 charming villages: Monterosso al Mare, Vernazza, Corniglia, Minerola, and Riomaggiore. Each village offers stunning views of the Ligurian Sea, colorful houses, and beautiful hiking trails that connect them. It's a hiker's dream and a photographer's paradise. Florence, the capital of Tuscany, deserves a special mention. Known as the birthplace of the Renaissance, Florence is a city filled with artistic and architectural masterpieces. Visit the Uffizi Gallery to see works by Botticelli and Michelangelo. Climb to the top of the Duomo for a panoramic view of the city, and stroll across the historic Ponte Vecchio. Italy is a country that truly has it all: rich history, stunning landscapes, incredible food, and a vibrant culture. Whether you're exploring ancient ruins, relaxing on the coast, or enjoying a glass of wine in a vineyard, Italy's beauty is sure to captivate you. Thanks for joining us on this journey through some of the most beautiful places in Italy. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel adventures. Arrivederci, and see you in our next video.